Question given, what must be added to x fourth plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 so that the result is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. So let us consider PS, consider Px equal to x fourth 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus qx equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, if it is divisible, then remainder is 0. Okay, then remainder Rx equal to Ax plus B. Always remainder in the form of X plus B. Before going to solve this question, let's take a simple example. Suppose 15 divisible by 3. You will get remainder 0. If the remainder is added to dividend, also it is divisible by 3. Yes or no? So we will solve this problem by using this concept. Okay. So tell me, let's assume Px is divisible by Qx and remainder Rx equal to Ax plus B. If you add Px plus Rx, let's another equation which is Fx, which is Px plus Rx. X fourth plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 plus ax plus b. If you simplify it, you will get x fourth plus 2x cube minus 2x square x plus ax. Take x as a common, so a plus 1 plus b minus 1. This is fx. If px is divisible by qx, yes or no? And p plus rx also divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3, we can say qx is a factor of fx. Px is divisible by qx. So similarly, px plus rx also divisible by qx. So qx is the factor of fx. Okay. So simplify qx. Qx equal to x square plus 2x minus 3, which will be x square plus 3x minus x minus 3, x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3. That is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 1. That means x plus 3 and x minus 1 are factors of fx. And out. If they are factors of fx, then we can say if fx equal to x fourth plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x whole into a plus 1 plus b minus 1, okay, then if minus 3 will be 0, that implies minus 3 to the power 4th plus 2 into minus 3 to the power cube minus 2 into minus 3 square plus minus 3 whole into a plus 1 plus b minus 1, that is equal to 0. It will be 81 plus 27 minus 54, 9 minus 18, minus 3a minus 3 plus b minus 1 equal to 0. Understood? So it will be minus 21, 22, 56, 76 plus 85, minus 76 plus 85, that is equal to 5 minus 3a plus b equal to 0. That implies minus 3 minus 3a minus b equal to minus 5. That is equal to minus 3a minus b equal to 5. Okay, take this one as a equation 1. Okay, and similarly f1 will be 0, so 1 to the power 4 plus 2 1 to the power cube minus 2 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into a plus 1, okay, plus b minus 1. It will be 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus a plus 1 plus b minus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is equal to plus 2 minus 2 cancel, a plus b equal to minus 1. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So simplify equation 1 and equation 2. 3a minus b equal to 5, a plus b equal to minus 1. So r cancel, 4a equal to 4, a equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. A how much? You got a 1. B, put the values, a plus b equal to minus 1. So a equal to minus 2. Okay, you got, sorry, a equal to 1 minus 2, sorry, b equal to minus 2. Okay, so what to do? Added, you have to add to remainder. The remainder will be rx equal to ax plus b. A how much? 1 x plus minus 2, that's equal to x minus 2. If you add x minus 2 to px, which is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x plus 3. Just check it. If you add x minus 2 to the px, it will be, check it, is it right or wrong? To x minus 2, add x minus 2, okay, it will be x is 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3, okay. If is it divisible, exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3, yes or no? If you will divide, you will get remainder 0. So divide by x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay. You have to cancel out x fourth. So x square, x fourth plus 2x square minus 3x square. Minus plus. It will be cancel out. Plus 2x cube cancel out. This is the x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay. So take plus 1 x square plus 2x minus 3. That's 0.